Lion WC322 Wheel Cleaner is a one-step foaming formula. It removes road grime and grease, is a non-acid formula, and is safe for all wheels and hubcaps. First, shake the bottle well to mix the formula. Next, spray liberally onto the wheel surface. Using a soft cloth, wipe away. For tougher stains, repeat the process using a soft brush. Finally, rinse off thoroughly. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence, the strength of Lion.